Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we explore some of the most elegant and remarkable yachts on the water. Today, we're taking a close look at a vessel that perfectly combines Dutch craftsmanship, timeless design, and modern comfort, the Gillissen Stevens 10.50 Dutch Classic Motor Yacht. This is a yacht that turns heads in any marina, yet also delivers practical performance, making it a favorite among both seasoned sailors and newcomers alike. Whether you're dreaming of weekend escapes, coastal cruising, or longer adventures, the Stevens 10.50 is a vessel that truly impresses. At 10.5 meters in length, the Stevens 10.50 provides ample space for both relaxing and entertaining. Its robust hull is built for stability and safety, ensuring smooth handling across a variety of water conditions. From the moment you step aboard, the yacht demonstrates a perfect balance between functionality and elegance. Wide decks, well-positioned handrails, and easy access to both bow and stern areas make moving around the yacht safe and effortless. The cockpit is designed for comfort and convenience, with seating arranged for socializing while remaining close to the helm, which is ergonomically laid out with all essential navigation instruments within easy reach. Stainless steel fittings and polished wood accents add a touch of classic Dutch sophistication that is immediately noticeable. The exterior design of the Stevens 10.50 is where classic charm meets modern efficiency. Its gently curved hull lines and rounded cabin roof give it a timeless silhouette. The varnished wood trim and subtle, elegant detailing enhance the yacht's visual appeal, while the thoughtful layout ensures practicality. Cleats, fenders, and handrails are strategically placed for safety and ease of handling. The flybridge, a standout feature of this yacht, offers an elevated vantage point for navigation and relaxation. It features comfortable seating and a secondary helm station, allowing for panoramic views while cruising or simply enjoying the scenery. The flybridge adds a whole new dimension to life on board, giving you a space to relax in the sun or take in stunning waterfront views from above the main deck. Stepping inside, the interior of the Stevens 10.50 is a blend of warmth, luxury, and smart design. The main salon serves as the heart of the yacht. It's a bright and inviting space, with large windows flooding the area with natural light and offering panoramic views of the water. The seating is comfortable and arranged to encourage conversation and relaxation, while a table provides a perfect spot for meals or enjoying a cup of coffee while cruising. Thoughtful storage solutions are integrated into the seating and cabinetry, keeping the salon tidy and functional without compromising style. The overall feel is spacious and welcoming, a place where guests can unwind comfortably. The owner's cabin is a standout feature of the Stevens 10.50. Located below deck, it offers a serene retreat with a cozy double bed and plenty of storage, including drawers and wardrobes, to keep belongings organized during longer trips. Thoughtful lighting and ventilation ensure a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere, while the interior woodwork and soft furnishings reflect the classic Dutch attention to detail. This cabin is designed for both privacy and comfort, providing a restful space for the primary owners of the yacht. The guest cabin is equally well appointed, providing a welcoming space for friends or family. It typically features twin or double berths, depending on the layout, and includes ample storage for personal items. Like the owner's cabin, it is designed to maximize comfort in a compact space, with careful use of natural light, ventilation, and high-quality finishes. Both cabins demonstrate the yacht's emphasis on providing a comfortable living experience for everyone on board. The kitchen, or galley, is compact yet fully functional, equipped with modern appliances suitable for preparing meals during extended cruises. Counter space is efficiently designed, and storage compartments make it easy to keep everything organized. Despite its size, the galley allows for meal preparation without feeling cramped, and its thoughtful layout ensures that cooking on board is convenient and enjoyable. Adjacent to the galley is a dining area integrated into the main salon, allowing meals to be served and enjoyed with views of the surrounding water. The bathroom is another space where the Stevens 10.50 excels. It is compact yet well designed, featuring a marine toilet, wash basin, and shower. Storage is cleverly incorporated to keep toiletries organized, and ventilation ensures a fresh and comfortable environment. The materials and finishes reflect the quality seen throughout the rest of the yacht, combining durability with a warm, inviting aesthetic. This attention to detail makes daily routines on board both practical and pleasant, even on longer trips. When it comes to performance, the Stevens 10.50 delivers a reliable and enjoyable experience on the water. Powered by a diesel engine, it provides smooth and efficient cruising with excellent maneuverability. The yacht handles predictably and confidently in various conditions, from narrow inland waterways to open coastal waters. Its hull design enhances stability and reduces drag, ensuring a comfortable ride. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, allowing for longer voyages without frequent refueling. Even when docking or navigating tight spaces, the yacht responds well, making it accessible for captains of varying experience levels. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Stevens 10.50 is its versatility. It is equally suited to leisurely daytime cruises, social gatherings on deck, or extended trips along rivers and coastlines. The spacious main deck and flybridge provide ample room for relaxation and sunbathing, while the cabins, galley, and bathroom ensure comfort and convenience below deck. The combination of indoor and outdoor spaces allows the yacht to be enjoyed in a variety of weather conditions and settings, making it an adaptable vessel that meets the needs of different lifestyles and cruising preferences. The unique selling points of the Stevens 10.50 extend beyond its elegant appearance and comfortable interior. Its classic Dutch styling is immediately recognizable and remains timeless, offering an understated elegance that modern yachts sometimes lack. The craftsmanship is exceptional, from the reinforced hull to the polished wood interiors and high-quality fittings, ensuring durability and long-term value. The yacht's thoughtful design balances performance, comfort, and functionality, making it a practical yet luxurious choice. It is easy to handle, fuel-efficient, and provides ample space both above and below deck, giving it broad appeal for both experienced sailors and newcomers. The addition of the flybridge is a bonus, providing an elevated outdoor space that enhances both navigation and leisure activities. Every detail on the Stevens 10.50 has been carefully considered. From the ergonomics of the helm and flybridge controls to the placement of storage compartments and lighting, the yacht offers a seamless experience for those on board. These small but significant touches enhance comfort, usability, and safety, contributing to an overall feeling of harmony and sophistication. Owners can also customize certain aspects, such as upgrading navigation systems, interior finishes, or adding additional features, allowing the yacht to evolve with changing preferences and needs. In summary, the Gillissen Stevens 10.50 Dutch Classic Motor Yacht is a vessel that offers the perfect combination of elegance, functionality, and comfort. Its key features, including a robust hull, spacious deck, flybridge, and well-designed interior, make it ideal for a wide range of cruising activities. The main salon is bright, comfortable, and social, while the owner and guest cabins provide cozy retreats below deck. The kitchen and bathroom are thoughtfully designed for convenience and practicality, and the yacht's performance ensures smooth and confident handling across different waterways. Its unique selling points, including classic styling, high-quality construction, and versatility, make it a standout choice in its class. For anyone seeking a yacht that is both beautiful and practical, the Stevens 10.50 delivers a complete package. It is a vessel designed to be enjoyed, whether for short day trips, weekend getaways, or extended cruising adventures. Owning and operating this yacht is about experiencing the joy of being on the water in a space that combines style, comfort, and functionality in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining us on this detailed review of the Gillissen Stevens 10.50 Dutch Classic Motor Yacht. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into exceptional yachts, expert tips, and on-water adventures, make sure to subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, smooth sailing and fair winds on all your journeys.